Hello, good day, guys. My name is Nick, technical analyst with SuperForex. Today, we shall be looking at the technical analysis on the currency pair, the Eurozone to the Great British Pounds. And first, we were talking about fundamental analysis before we move right down to technical analysis, which is purely what we're going to be seeing on the chart. Now, we could have noticed that Euro GBP has been correcting higher, of course, for the recent bearish candlestick, which signifies a change of the trend, being the Marubozu candle, signifies a total change of the trend, which is currently what we're probably going to be seeing in the books in the next 24 to 48 hours. Now, Karen Jones, team head FICC technical analysis research at Commerzbank, expects the pair to test 55-day moving average DMA at 0.8529 and therefore elevate downside pressure above from there, but it came quite early, as we can see, and Euro GBP has its target to below the 0.8239 or let's say 0.8400 level. And of course, we can see that Euro GBP is correcting higher near term, near lows charted from last week's, but not confirmed yet. With our daily RSI, of course, we can notice signifying a huge change of the trend to maybe the downside right at this point of 0.84652. Now, we are correcting this, and the market will need to regain this in order to elevate more downside pressure. And of course, to challenge the 200 DMA at 0.8589. And then we also notice recent highs from May at 0.86 going to our monthly time frame. The recent high from May at going at 0.8659 and 0.8673 highs since May, as we can presume. And now also our below attention should now focus to revert to 0.8239 2009 lows and 200 moving average lies at 0.8167. So now purely what we're seeing on the chart now, we are observing a change of the trend for the Euro GBP pair. So if we are to make an entry to this trade, taking our most recent support and most recent resistance zones at 0.85170, that's the latest landmark for the support resistance zone, I mean. And then we take our next take profit zone somewhere around here, which is at 0.84607. So if we are to make an entry now at this point and let the trade run down to this point, we are observing up to 30 pips from this trade. An extension to this point, we are looking at 50 pips, and then probably the trend might take a halt at this point before a probable retracement to the upside a little bit. So that's our technical analysis on today's currency pair, Euro GBP. I remain your host, Nick. Bye for now.